Hello, children. Today, let us understand the lesson, The Treasure Within, from the text, It So Happened. In this lesson, you will learn about Hafiz Contractor, his school life, and his journey to become a successful architect. Hafiz Contractor is an Indian architect. Do you know who is an architect? An architect is a person who designs buildings. Hafiz has designed many skyscrapers in India. He is the architect of three tallest buildings in India, the 42 in Kolkata and the twin towers of the Imperial in Mumbai are designed by him. He was awarded the Padma Bhushan in January 2016 by the Government of India. The lesson tells us that every child has a certain area of interest. Some children like mathematics, while some others like English. There is a hidden talent in every child, and every child can definitely achieve greatness in his area of interest. Parents and school play an important role in bringing out the best in the child by creating a proper environment for the young minds. Now let us move on with the lesson. The lesson is an excerpt. Excerpt means a short extract from an interview between Miss Bella Raja, editor of Sparsh, and Mr. Hafiz Contractor. Hafiz was an unhappy schoolboy. Hafiz was nostalgic when he was asked about his schooling and education. He had experienced the worst nightmares about maths examination, which disappeared with time. He revealed that he lost interest in studies when he reached the third standard. He cheated in exams and his interest was only in games. However, later one sentence spoken to him by his principal changed his mind. When he was in his 11th, his principal called him and told him that though he was a good student, he never studied. He added that he took care of him till then, but from then on he could not take care of him. The principal's talk with Hafiz for 5 minutes changed his life. Hafiz used to be a good sportsman, but that year, after his talk with the principal, he did not go out to the fields. All that he did was pray, eat, and study. He passed SSC with 50%. When Hafiz was asked how he felt when he was pulled up by his teachers, he replied that he never felt anything. He was caned by his teacher very often. He enjoyed funny pranks, playing games, and watching movies. He was the leader of his gang, and he used to indulge in gang fights. Students used to book his textbooks for the following year because they were almost brand new. He opened them only one day before exams. Hafiz was then asked how he got into the field of architecture. Hafiz replied that he wanted to join the army, but he was stopped by his aunt who tore his admission letter. He was not allowed to join police force too by his mother. Finally, he joined Jai Hind College in Mumbai. Over there, he had to choose between French or German. Although he learned French for 7 years, he knew nothing of it. So he opted for German. But after the death of his German teacher, he could either revert back to French or change his college. He decided to learn French from his cousin, who was married to an architect. He visited his cousin in the architect's office to learn the language. One day it so happened that he saw somebody drawing a window detail which was a very advanced drawing. He observed that that person's drawing was faulty and suggested that it would not open. He then had a bet with Hafiz, and Hafiz won the bet because the drawing was wrong. Hafiz was then asked to design a house. After seeing his designs, his cousin's husband asked him to join architecture. They went to meet the principal of the college. The principal promised to give Hafiz an admission on condition that he performed well in the entrance exam. Hafiz got an A plus in the entrance exam and he was given admission in the college. He stood first class first throughout his degree. Hafiz gave the credit of being successful in the field of architecture to his schooling days. He used to have competition with his friend and they used to compete in designing forts, guns and ammunitions. He also spoke about an incident when he was in the second or third standard, where his teacher, Mrs. Gupta, assessed his drawings and advised him to take architecture. When asked about his studies, Hafiz replied that he was good at science and geography, but found languages and mathematics difficult. Hafiz believed that school made him street smart and he learned more by doing than what academics would have taught him. As a kid on a rainy day, he would think of the flowing water and how to build a dam and how to block the water. At the end, Mrs. Bella Raja inquired about how he would decide as to what kind of structure he would want to give a client. To this he replied he would observe the face, the clothes and other habits of his client and sketch spontaneously on a paper, keeping in mind the likings of his customer. And so today for him, putting design, construction, psychology and sociology and making a sketch from all that is mathematics. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, subscribe and comment for suggestions.